The 1000th reason the toaster oven is supreme, you have a built-in portion control, some popcorn chicken, some tater tots right there. There's only so much that'll fit on one of these little trays. I can pop it in there, change, do a quick errand in town or something. It'll be ready for me when I come back. If you have raw chicken or something like that, you're going to want to make this meal a few times. Make sure you know the cooking time. I go a few minutes over whatever that is, so I'll have a crispy tater tot and some cooked chicken ready for me when I get back from my little excursion.